Have you ever found yourself locked out? Or maybe just need to clear all settings from your Honeywell digital deadbolt? It happens to the best of us. Today, we're tackling a super common and important task: how to reset your Honeywell digital deadbolt. Whether you've forgotten your code, are selling your home, or just want a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and stress-free. Let's dive in, understanding why you might reset your Honeywell lock. Before we jump into the how, let's quickly discuss the why. Resetting your Honeywell digital deadbolt can solve several issues. Forgotten user codes. This is probably the most common reason. A full reset will clear all existing user codes. Troubleshooting. If your lock is acting erratically or not responding as expected, a reset can often resolve software glitches. Security refresh. If you've had multiple users or suspect a code compromise, a reset ensures all old access is removed. New homeowner, tenant. It's best practice to reset the lock when a new person moves in. Tools: you might need a small Phillips head screwdriver. For some models, if you need to access the battery compartment or internal reset button. New batteries. Good practice to replace them during a reset. Method 1. Master code. Reset if you know your master code. If you still know your master programming code, this is the easiest way to reset individual settings or even all user codes without a full factory reset. However, for a complete factory reset, which is what we're focusing on today, we'll generally move to Method 2. But it's good to know this option exists for minor adjustments. Method 2. Full factory reset, clearing all settings and codes. Want now for the full reset that wipes everything clean. This is often referred to as a factory reset or hard reset. This method will revert your Honeywell digital deadbolt to its original factory settings, just like when you first took it out of the box. This means all user codes, the master code, and any custom settings will be erased. Locate the interior assembly. Go to the inside part of your door where the thumb turn and battery compartment are located. Remove the battery cover. You'll typically need to slide off the battery cover. Remove batteries. Take out all the batteries from the lock. This ensures the lock is completely powered down. Locate the reset button. This is the crucial step. On most Honeywell digital deadbolt models, the reset button is a small, often red or black button located near the battery compartment, sometimes under a sticker or slightly recessed. Pro tip: some older Honeywell models might require you to hold down a specific button while reinserting the batteries. Always check your specific model's manual if you can't find a dedicated reset button. Press and hold the reset button. While the batteries are still out, press and hold down the reset button. Reinsert batteries while holding reset. While still holding the reset button, carefully reinsert all the batteries. Continue holding and listen for beeps. Keep holding the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. You should hear a series of beeps, or the lock might cycle through its mechanism to indicate a successful reset. Release the reset button. Once you hear the confirmation, or after the recommended time, you can release the reset button. Test the lock. The lock should now be in its factory default state. The default master code, often 1234 or 000 or similar, check your manual, should be active, and any previously programmed user codes will be gone. Immediately program a new master code and user codes for security. Special tips and FAQs. What if I can't find the reset button? Always consult your specific Honeywell digital deadbolt's user manual. Models vary, and the exact location can differ. A quick online search for your Honeywell model number manual should help. Do I need to recalibrate after a reset? Some locks might require a door handing procedure after a factory reset. Follow your manual's instructions for this, if applicable. This ensures the lock knows which way the door swings. Say, my lock isn't responding after the reset. Double check the battery installation. Ensure they are fresh and inserted correctly. If problems persist, a call to Honeywell customer support might be necessary. What's the default master code after a reset? This also varies by model, but common defaults are 12 for 34, 0 thousandths, 1.03456, or sometimes it defaults to needing you to set a new master code immediately. Your manual will confirm this, and there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to reset your Honeywell digital deadbolt, getting you back to a secure and functioning smart home. This process is crucial for troubleshooting, enhancing security, and ensuring your electronic lock is exactly how you want it. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and electronic lock tutorials. Have any questions or run into trouble?